Hey guys, it's Unbox Wednesday. Even though it's not Wednesday, it's not Wednesday at all. But I'm dropping this video on Wednesday, so it's Unbox Wednesday. Alright, so as we can see here, I have two boxes right here, and I don't know what I'm gonna get. I don't know why I have two boxes. I did make some purchases on Friday, but if it came today on Monday, wow, like that'll be real fast. If this one, I think it's this one. This one I think I brought 2 weeks ago. Not 2 weeks ago. Sometimes last week. I think last week Monday or something. I don't know. I really don't remember. But this one right here, if it's one of the orders that I placed on Friday, I pretty much referred to that on the video I did yesterday from apmex, bullion, Texas Precious Metals, and SD Bullion. If it's one of those, I promise you that company is what I'm going to be buying from all the time. So let's go and open it. Welcome to another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life by creating better health and wealth. And you guys can also help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a thumbs up, comment on the video. Let me know what you guys think about my unboxing videos. You think they're boring? You think they're not fun? Or you think they're good? Let me know. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys can get future notifications of my future videos. Let's go.
I'm working for work,
All right, so let's get to opening. And today I have this scissor right here to open it. I can't get a grip on it. Let's see here. Boom. Get it open. What do I have? What do I have? What do I have? It failed. Have right here. Let's see. And I have no idea what I got. Still, there's paper in there. I got. Uh-oh. Let's see. Man, this is crazy. Yeah. Wow, where did this come from? OMG. Hold on, where is this coming from? So this is from Bullion? Really? I placed this order on Friday and it came today. This order came Friday and it came today. Wow. $101 right here. Honestly, I placed this order on Friday and it's just Monday. That means they probably shipped. Oh man. All right. Now the first time I brought from Bullion, it took them about 2 weeks to get here, but they're making up for that, I guess. But wow. Okay, so what did I get? I got me a South African elephant. Right there, you can see it right there. Very beautiful. Let me see, where's the date on there? I guess it doesn't come with a date. But let me take it out this plastic thing right here so you guys can see better. The detail on that is very beautiful. Beautiful. Now, like I told you guys, the video I had where I'm listing all the coins while I was rapping.
Spinny and Eater, St. George to Victoria South.
This was on there, and I'm trying to go through that whole list and get them. I'm just gonna get one. I'm not saying I might get more of this, but as long as I have one, I'm keeping that. All right. What else do I have here in a capsule? Have an Australian koala, which is also on that list that I actually watched. That I actually made. You guys can watch that video right there. But it's beautiful. Face value at $1. 2017. 1 ounce right there, and I'm keeping it in the capsule. And then I have some bars here. As you can see, I have 3 sunshine bars right there from this one. Beautiful. And I'm sorry guys, I still can't get over the fact that I actually got it. Wow. I brought it on Friday. I ordered it on Friday. And honestly, I made 4 orders on Friday and this came today. Like, oh man, Bullion, you made a customer out of me. A full-time customer. Oh man, wow, I got it on Monday. Cool. There you go. Let me see if I can get there close. Well, it's pretty much all you got to see is one, but it's beautiful. There you go. Let's put that here. And then let's get this box out the way. And let's go to the second one. And this one I have a pretty good idea. I wanted it to be a bit different. So it's a good thing because I was like, oh man, I gotta show them just, well, let me open it and then you guys will find out. All right. And this one, if I'm correct, is from Apmex itself. All right, so let's take this out, put that there, and then we have a box here. Oh man, look at this, look at this. All this right here, all this right here. So let's see what the price is from here. It is $48. Now I know what you guys are thinking. What the heck did he buy for $48 that comes in so big like this? It can't be gold and it can't be silver. Silver like this would be like a good, that comes in this kind of packaging, would probably be a good $1,000. But it was just $48. Now let's go and open it so you guys can see. So I brought, can't open it yet. Yeah, it failed. All right, so before I put it on camera, what you guys think it is? Comment down below, pause the video, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think it is. Don't worry, I'll wait. All right, I can't wait no more. So I brought me these tubes right here, to be honest with you, because I'm running out of space to put my silver coins. So I made sure I brought a whole bunch of them. All right, so you guys see that right here. I think this is 3. Well, of course it's 3, I can count. I don't think, it is 3. And then now let's open up this one and see what I got here. Oh, I was wrong. It's 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 5. So I have 5 tubes, each holds 20. And I'm planning to fill this up. I know I made my my 1 year full stack, but next year when I do it, which is gonna be on June 1st of 2019, we're in 18, right? Yeah, 2019, I'm planning to fill all this up by just being steady and consistent. All right, and then what else do I have here? Not just those, I have me the coins, because I actually ran out of space for those. Well, no, I didn't. I actually have one I gotta fill up. I filled up 1 already. This one on the coin side, I filled up 2 of them, and I ran out of space. I have coins that I can't put nowhere. So a lot of people have been telling me, hey, you need to store your gold, you need to buy capsule for them, you need to get capsule for them. And honestly, I keep them in here. I don't just put them out and display the way you guys see me do it. So I have them here. I want to fill all these up, and once I fill all of them up, every other coin that I buy is going to be like this. I'm going to put them all in capsule and put them in places, all right, in my safe. And to be honest with you, a lot of people have been telling me, hey, I should do a place to store my where do I store my gold, and a video on where do I store my gold. And to be honest with you, I don't want to, because I have people in my actual life that actually watches my video, and I don't want them to have any idea. So no one knows. I don't keep it in my house. Well, I don't keep the majority of it in my house, or when I do need it, I go take it. They don't even get shipped to my house. All right, so I have this, but that's not it. Of course, y'all counting, there's 5 here, 5 here. They're about, I think, $1 something a piece. And that doesn't equal up to $48. Well, of course, I'm not gonna just buy tubes and not buy silver at all, even though if it's just 1. I went and brought my very first Noah's Ark, which is also on that video. To be honest with you, I thought this was gonna be a lame video, because this would be the only silver I was able to unbox, because I know this one was coming. But it's so much better because I brought all these came in. I gotta say it again, I brought it on Friday. Too fast. I brought it on Friday, guys, and it came today. JM Bullion, you're the best. Okay, so let me take this out the packaging for you guys to see it right here. Let's see how good this scissors is. not good at all. Like, no damage whatsoever. I'm gonna have to close it and then nothing happens. So, exercise on my teeth again. There you go. Now, this place, I have no idea how to pronounce it, but it is Armenia. Dang, if I had, okay, there it goes. Armenia, yeah. It's Armenia, and this is, well, from the country Armenia, and this is Noah's Ark, which is the very first thing I said on that song. You guys should definitely watch that video. It's very informational. And if you guys, I actually, I think I pinned the list on the comments and in the description. So you guys should definitely watch that video. It gives you a good start to actually be like, all right, hey, what do I want to buy? I want to buy a whole bunch of lists. Now these is something I'm not gonna sell because it's a collectible. All right, I want to make sure I have each of everything I said on that video, and then whatever I do sell is gonna be outside of that, stuff I get outside of that, like the bars. But these are gonna be collectible stuff I passed down for generations. All right, so the koala I have, the panda I brought, yeah, the koala, the elephant, all that's gonna stay the same. But now back to these beauties right here. You want to make sure you keep them safe. You want to make sure you keep your gold and silver safe, and the best way to do that is by keeping them in a tube. All right, well, keeping them in the capsule is the best way, airtight capsule, but keeping them in the tube as well keeps them safe, especially if you planning to get bulks and bulks of them. So pretty much that's all I have to say to you guys today. Thank you so much. I'm still shocked that I got this on like 2 business days after I actually purchased it, because Sunday don't count. Saturday, you can count that as business days, but I'm still shocked about that. Let me know, have you guys ever had an experience like that where you order on a Friday or order and then you get it 2 days later? That's awesome. J&B Bullion, you know, you recover from the first 2 weeks that it actually took you to deliver my package the first time. You recover from that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think, and have a wonderful day.
That's why I work